What is going on YouTube? This is your boy Detroit coming back to you guys with another video. Today we're going to be going over the top 5 ways to grow in 2020 on Twitch. I'm seeing a lot of stuff on Twitch that I don't like, so we're going to go over 5 tips to make sure you guys definitely grow your stream going into the next year. Make sure you guys stay till the end. There's a lot of important tips I want you guys to look over and apply to your streams. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. If you guys do end up liking this video and you find value in it, please make sure to drop a like below. And if you guys are on Twitch, which I'm assuming you are, if you have watched this video, you guys can follow me on Twitch at DetroitFury. I stream a couple times a week there. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything you guys kind of want to go over, you guys can come watch me play and you guys can ask me questions then. So now, step 1, do not listen to partnered streamers that have been streaming for 10 years, for 8 years. Being consistent when you're only pulling 10 viewers is not going to get you anywhere. I'm sorry to say that. I know every viewer is important, but these streamers that are partnered, they grew in an era where there wasn't as much saturation on Twitch. Me, I remember starting on Twitch 5 years ago. It was so easy for me to grow my channel and gain new followers. I was pulling 100, 200 viewers. Biggest mistake I made was stopping streaming when I did. I stopped streaming for like 8 months, and by the time I started getting back into it, Twitch became so saturated. This was kind of the same time when Ninja blew up with Drake, with Fortnite. All this stuff just kind of, a perfect storm kind of happened, and everything came together, and all of a sudden everyone's on Twitch now. So just understand these streamers started a long time ago. They got partnered a while back, so it was a lot easier for them than it is right now. All right, step 2, do not stream and play games by yourself. It's much more engaging when you guys have a whole bunch of friends in the lobby that are playing with you. It sounds more exciting. There's jokes flying around. A lot of people, when they come into your stream and they see you just sitting there playing a game by yourself and hear crickets, they're just gonna leave the stream right away. So any viewers who do stop by your stream are 80% more likely to stick around if it looks like you and your friends are having a blast. You guys are completely destroying teams, and whether you're playing Call of Duty or Fortnite, whatever it is, it's much more engaging and much more fun than you sitting there and crickets chirping in the background. So definitely stream with your friends, join a Discord, get in Discord together, which, by the way, if you guys do want to join my Discord, I'll link it down below. So definitely apply that method. That is a very important method. You are also much more likely to stay on a lot longer. You're going to stream for a lot longer if you do have friends accompanying you in your stream and if you're playing games together. All right, step 3, and this is going to be a new and very important step. I want you to stop streaming. That's right. If you guys are streaming 6 days a week and you guys are grinding it out, I want you to stop right now. I want you to step back and start streaming only 3 times a week. The other 3 days out of the week that you would have been streaming, I want you guys to go and create a YouTube channel and start creating quality content on YouTube. The reason I say this is YouTube's algorithm is much easier to grow than it is on Twitch. Listen, I completely get it. Twitch is by far the hardest platform to grow on now. It's impossible to be found. It's impossible. It's the worst platform there is for growing. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to take that step back, create a YouTube channel, create quality content, something that you guys are interested in doing. What I want you to do is you're going to take that audience from YouTube and you guys are going to bring them over to Twitch and grow that way. This is a must for going into 2020. It's going to be very difficult. Unless you win a Fortnite tournament and become popular this way, YouTube is going to be your best bet for going into 2020. I've gained more followers on Twitch in the past few weeks than I would have if I was streaming 7 days a week, 12 hours a day. It's what's been working for me, so I'm going to continue to do it. I've seen so many streamers that kind of did take this step back, and this is why I'm doing this. I've seen other people do it. They've taken a step back from streaming and they've started creating YouTube videos, and all of a sudden their Twitch is growing, and also now they're growing on YouTube, which no one even knew they existed on YouTube before. So why not double dip if you can? All right, step 4, quality. Guys, this isn't 2014 anymore, okay? There are so many funny, awesome streamers out there that are producing quality content, that are grinding it out every day, that are pulling hundreds of thousands of viewers every day, and they're actually growing. If you're still streaming without a camera in 2019 and in 2020, I need you to get it together, get yourself a camera. You're not Lyric, okay? You're not pulling 40,000 viewers that have stuck around and will watch you without a camera, okay? Statistics have shown that people that click on your stream and they see you as a person, that's what they're there for. They're there to see you. They're not there to watch the game. They could be watching the game anywhere. Okay, so make sure you guys understand that. They're much more likely to stick around if you do have a camera. Make sure your sound, your camera, and your lighting is on point. If I come into your stream and it sounds like I'm listening to Morse code, or shut up Siri, not you. If I come into your stream and it sounds like I'm listening to Morse code, let's just say I'm leaving right away. So I'm sorry to come off on you guys like this, but someone needs to pressure you guys. Someone needs to be hard on you. No one wants you to succeed more than I do, and I really mean that. I know what it's like to stream for 10 hours a day and just talk to yourself. It is the most miserable thing. I completely understand. All right, so make sure you guys take these tips that I'm giving you and run with them. Okay, so just apply it to everything else that I'm telling you in this video. Step 4, social media. Now this is an obvious one, but if you guys don't have any social media accounts, please go create a Twitter, go create an Instagram, go create a TikTok. Whatever you guys don't have, go ahead and create it. Apply it to your channel, incorporate it all together with your YouTube, with your Twitch, and make yourself discoverable. Make yourself easy to find. Like I said, don't choose a name that's going to be hard for people to search, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on Twitch. Make sure it's an easy name. People can just search on Twitter, whatever it is, and somewhere they'll be able to find you. Somewhere where you can relay those funny clips, where you can relay that content that you're playing with your friends, that you guys are enjoying and having a blast with. These platforms are here to expose you to people that don't even know who you are yet. And I feel like if you guys aren't applying and using these platforms, I feel like you're kind of drowning yourself before you even learned how to start swimming. So make sure you guys take that into account. When you guys are streaming, make sure to stream games that you guys enjoy playing. If you enjoy playing Fortnite, if you guys enjoy playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare, whatever it is, even if there's 50,000 viewers that are in that specific category of gaming, it's okay. Stream those games. Create that quality content, whether it's on Twitch, whether it's on YouTube, playing games that you guys enjoy. I don't care if there's 60 or 200,000 people watching those particular games on Twitch. Make sure you guys are playing those games. Take those clips, take those recordings, take them over to YouTube, publish them, and bring that audience right back to Twitch. I mean, I'd rather you guys, when you do get the chance, play games that you guys enjoy playing instead of playing games that you're not going to enjoy playing and you're miserable just to gain followers and just to gain viewers. And then step 5, this is going to be the final step. I want you guys to go and create a Reddit account. I want you to join as many Reddit gaming communities as you can. I want you to join as many Facebook gaming communities as you can, and don't just go in there and start dropping your links and spamming your links. Like I said, no one wants to see any of that stuff. Those people are there for the same reason that you are. They all want to grow, and it's much better off and it's much more fun when you guys grow together, because it's something you guys can reflect on down the road, laugh about once you guys make it. So make sure you guys are doing that. Use those forums to be able to ask for constructive criticism from other people that are in the forums once you start getting accustomed to whatever rules they may have in those groups. So no one's just going to accept you into a gaming group and let you just start firing links away. It just doesn't work like that. And don't just join every group that's on Reddit and in these Facebook gaming communities. Join communities that are kind of similar size to you are. Communities which I'm assuming you guys are newer streamers. If you guys are just starting out with streaming, make sure you guys are joining groups that have similar interests as you do. Make it fun and entertaining for yourself. Now, when you guys do start applying all these methods and they do start working for you, and you start pulling 30 to 50 viewers on Twitch, then the script kind of flips for you guys. Then you can start grinding on Twitch. You can start streaming 5-6 days a week. Still make sure you guys are posting videos on YouTube 1 to 2 days a week. If you want, you guys can just take those Twitch highlights, you guys can drag them over to YouTube, create like a highlight reel for the week. But do make sure you guys still stay on YouTube and still have a presence there, because you do want to grow on both platforms at the same time. Because look what's happening with Twitch now. Mixer's taking a lot of their big streamers, right? So, which we'll talk about Mixer in a different video. No one knows what's going to happen in the future. So you want to brand yourself and make sure you're accessible to as many people as you can on multiple platforms, whether it's social media, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Twitch, Mixer, whatever it is. Make sure you guys don't put all your eggs in one basket, because if Twitch takes a shit and everyone goes to Mixer, you guys, all that hard work that you guys put into Twitch is now gone. So make sure you guys do take that into account. If you guys did make it this far in the video, please make sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I missed anything. I feel like the obvious stuff I kind of just put to the side. I wanted to get into the 5 most important steps. I didn't want to really waste your guys' time. So let me know down below. If you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to drop a like down below. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And yeah, YouTube, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.